Hats, a chartered accountant, a tech visionary, and a change maker in the education space. Please, ladies and gentlemen, welcome CA Mayur Zanwar, co-founder of True Scholar. Can we welcome him with a big round of applause?
First of all, the good news from my side is that my presentation will last only for max to max 8 minutes. So, thank you. Let me start with few questions. I'm into credential space, so how many institutions here are issuing the certificates, mark sheet, degree in physical format to the learner? How many? Are you issuing the certificates? Maximum are issuing the physical formats, okay. So, are the institutions right now having the storage facility in-house, somewhere in the premise, to store the certificates, degree, mark sheets which were awarded to the learner? Yes? Everyone? Great. Suppose there is a request from the third parties to verify the certificate, mark sheet, degree, certificate. What is the average time it takes to verification? 15 days, 15 to 1 month, or 1 month plus? Please interactive. And please, don't shy, everyone is sailing in the same boat. Yes? 15 days. Anyone who is taking 15 plus? There are even institutions which takes 3 months plus. I have seen in person. Maybe in person everyone will not admit, but this is the fact. So friends, we are here very happy and proud to say I am representing True Scholar, founder of the venture, Chartered Accountant Mayur. So, True Scholar is India's first patent-awarded blockchain-powered credential management platform, which helps institute to digitize the credential process while also fulfilling the government mandate of NAD, DigiLocker, NEP 2020 compliance, and ABC ID ready. So, these are some of the prominent challenges which we are facing right now. Issuance and verification is a very daunting task for all the institutes. Low-tech digitization. We see many institutes say that हमने तो PDF में certificate share किया है. PDF, it's easily tampered can be marked on the system by software in just 2 clicks. So it's not an encrypted certificate. It's a very risky proposition. The problem in India is low-tech digitization. Low-tech digitization is more harmful than no digitization sometimes. Why cyber frauds are happening? Because of low-tech digitization. Hacking of centralized data, circulation of fraud claims. You will be surprised many of the time there are so many fraud certificates prevailing in the ecosystem and the institute is not aware of. Why they are not aware? Because suppose in the name of your institute someone is applying in Maharashtra or Goa, how you could be coming to know that someone is misusing the certificate? Because there is no tracking mechanism for verification. And above all, the high operation cost. So, the challenge is many. And with this, there are some good government mandates, compliances. What? NAD में park करना है, DigiLocker में park करना है, Academic Bank of Credit IDs has to be created, APAR IDs has to be created, NEP 2020 skill mapping has to be done. But where is the infrastructure provided by any of the authority to do all sort of things? The intention is very good, but we need some software application to do all sort of things which should be easily integrated with our existing infrastructure. Yes. So what we have done, we have built True Scholar, India's first automated, completely integrated platform with any ERP LMS platform. So what we do? We help institute to automate, issue the digital certificate directly into the DigiLocker of the learner, facilitate the transfer of credit as per ABC, reduce manual error. See, there should not be manual intervention at the time of result declaration and uploading of the DigiLocker data. Manual intervention ho gaya hai, then there is a risk of fraud, mischievous activity and some vested elements doing some other things. ये होना ही नहीं चाहिए. So we ruled out the complete possibility of by way of digitizing the whole process of issuance of certificate. Faster result declaration, and lastly, the whole system is backed by blockchain technology. In blockchain, the beauty is, like I can say, everyone is graduated here. You must be having your degree certificate. If I ask where it is kept, somewhere in the almirah or the drawers and even the files, but no one will have that recollection ki kaha rakha hai humne. And what is prevailing in the right now in the ecosystem is the photocopy. तो जो सारे हमने सिक्योरिटी फीचर्स हमारे सर्टिफिकेट में लगाए थे उसका क्या हुआ भाई? वो तो अलमीरा में है. Are you getting my point? The point is, whatever the certificate, degree, mark sheets which are in the ecosystem for job, loan, employment, study abroad, it's the photocopy, the Xerox copy. That is the beauty of digitization. Digitization में क्या होता है? Every copy which is prevailing in the ecosystem is the original digital encrypted copy. So, with the issuance of digital certificate, what we are doing? We are helping the three ecosystem partner, institution, corporates, and the learner. By real-time skill mapping, enhance employability. Issuance of certificate is of no use unless and until the learner is in a position to get a better job as per the skills he or she is having right now. Lifelong learning records, all learning records from K10, K12 to even upskilling, reskilling, everything is being stored in a single credential wallet. Verification efficiency, because the certificate is issued digitally, the third parties can verify the certificate in maximum 30 seconds. That is the speed of verification. Indirectly, wrong hiring is avoided by corporates and background checks are done very fast. So, maximum such type of certificates or paper or documents are issued by institutes, mark sheet, transcripts, digital badges, identity cards, transfer and living certificate, and degree diploma certificate. Predominantly, these are the major certificates, documents which are issued by any institution in India. So, I'm very proud. We have our own onboarded institution, one of the premier institution from Orissa, Utkal, which are already using our certificate. In fact, they are discontinued the physical issuance. भाई वो कह रहे कि भाई डिजी लॉकर पे आधार मेरा डिजिटल हो गया है. ऑन एयरपोर्ट्स वी हैव डिजी यात्रा, सो नो वन इज इवन आस्किंग द आधार कार्ड फिजिकल वे, देन व्हाई इज द नीड टू यूज द फिजिकल सर्टिफिकेट? So all these certificates are faster verified, globally accepted, enhance credibility of the institution, and indirectly it increases the transparency and trust for the institute. And the learner become the brand ambassador of the institute later on, rather than you incurring expenditure for marketing and advertisement. Very proud to say, patent है तो first है, and so we are the patent awarded NASSCOM top 50 deep tech. Recently there was a startup Mahakumbh में बहुत कुछ हुआ था. India should promote deep tech. So we are the deep tech top 50 emerge award winner, true scholar, 5 year plus into the industry, had issued more than 1.5 million, means 15 lakhs plus degree certificate across India as of now, and expanding. It's a made in India, globally accepted and world class product, and which we are not telling as a pompous description, but the validation which we have got, that's why I'm telling everything. Lastly, learner ko certificate mil gaya. What learner is going to do? On the basis of this certificate document, he or she will apply for job. So in the credential wallet, the learner is creating a resume. They will be applying online through the job. The job internship opportunities will be declared, displayed on the credential wallet, and the hiring is speed up. So it's like when you are issuing a certificate to a learner, you are also ensuring that my learner student is able to get a job as per the skill in the industry. तो हमने क्या कर दिया, and the wallet is coming from institute, free of cost to the learner. That's the student advantage. And student and learner are also happy that my institute is giving me a credential wallet where all such inbuilt features are there so that I can opt for the good job. So, benefit of the solution, alumni connect, inbuilt alumni connected, enhanced student satisfaction, faster placement cycle for universities and students and colleges, and for students, job internship, AI powered resume builder, and avoid placement delay because of instant verification. Honorable President Madam, she issued the digital certificate through our platform. Nitin Gadkari ji has given us recognition as the top 5 innovation coming in India for digitization, and Honorable Governor of Maharashtra invited us to represent India to 20 universities of USA in the Indo-US Academia Conclave. So with this, many thanks to the organizer for giving the opportunity, and very happy once again. ओडिशा मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था मैं इतनी बार आऊँगा, and now every month I am coming here, and because of Utkal, not only so many institutions lined up in Orissa. मुझे ऐसा लगता है हमारे members कहते हैं, my wife, she is a chartered accountant, she says, you are now completely disconnected from CA world. Now I am a really CA. I am enjoying this journey of digitizing a true sense, a learner journey from start to the hiring. Thank you very much.
All right, may I invite Shefali Datta to felicitate Mr. Mayur Zanwar. And ladies and gentlemen, post that we'll be breaking for lunch. And thank you so much for your patience throughout.